Welcome to the next podcast on using Style Manager. So we now have our style that we're basing this on, and the things that we need to modify can be found on the left hand side. So the punctuation, it looks at how many spaces are removed before any multiple part punctuation is put in. So you need to be very clear about what type of punctuation and spaces are needed to be retained in your style. You then need to consider anonymous works. Do you leave it blank, as the style needs is blank, or do you need to use the full title in place of author? So all you do to change any of these are to tick and select, or you may want to insert some text, as in putting in anonymous. So I'm going to leave author blank. The next thing to consider, sort of generic things about the style, is the page numbers. Don't change the page numbers, show only the first page number. In this one that I'm basing it on, I abbreviated the last page, keeping 2 digits, so e.g. 123 to 25, but you may want to have it as show the full range of pages, so perhaps I'll change it to that one. Okay, this is actually quite helpful if you're using a style that is very close to the one that you want. A lot of these decisions are already made, and if you're thinking actually, yeah, that is the type of thing that I want, you won't actually have to change any of these things. Perhaps one of the important ones is how journal names are. Some styles and some journals require that you keep the abbreviation or use the full journal name. So I tend to keep it a don't replace, and then you're sort of fully covered. That's all for this podcast. Thank you.